In 1776, 3 weeks before the Declaration of Independence, the Assembly of the Lower Counties of Pennsylvania declares independence from both Britain and Pennsylvania, thereby creating the state of Delaware. The effort is led by Continental Congress delegates Thomas McKean and Caesar Rodney. Rodney, suffering from facial cancer, rides through the night to Philadelphia a few weeks later to help cast Delaware's vote in favor of independence at the Continental Congress on July 2nd. When the U.S. Mint begins issuing quarters honoring each of the 50 states in 1999, Delaware's quarter features Caesar Rodney's ride. You could make the argument that there were, in fact, only 12 original colonies and not 13, since Delaware was never officially a British colony. It was rather a semi-autonomous region of Pennsylvania made up of the 3 southernmost counties on the Delaware. Those counties do, however, send their own set of delegates to the Stamp Act Congress in 1765 and to the Continental Congress 9 years later. These delegates act independently from those of Pennsylvania proper. Delaware becomes the first U.S. state in 1787 because it is the first to ratify the U.S. Constitution.